When purchasing Oracle Colorshift products, we know there are several remotes to choose from. That's why today we wanted to review these options, so you can choose the model that fits your needs and budget. The first and most basic is our Simple Controller. As the name states, this is a generic remote that allows you to scroll through colors as well as some basic patterns such as strobe, smooth, and fade. The Simple Controller is an infrared remote, which means it needs to have a clear line of sight between the remote and the receiver. You will need to mount the receiver in a position where you can aim the remote directly at it. It's also important to note that the infrared will not transmit through glass. The Simple Remote offers basic color shift functionality and is the most economical choice, but it does have a lack of functions and a low power output. This works well when using one RGB product, but if you plan to add more lights in the future, you may want to consider upgrading to one of our other remotes. Next up is the 1.0 remote. It's easy to install and is extremely compact, so it can mount just about anywhere in your vehicle, including applications with limited space like motorcycles. The 1.0 is an RF remote with a range of approximately 100 feet. Keep in mind that the range will be decreased if there are dense objects, such as a car battery, between the remote and receiver. The antenna is flexible and can be easily adjusted for range. The 1.0 Keychain Remote is a very simple design. It has a nice heavy feel to it, and there is a guard that slides up so you don't activate your lights unintentionally. The 1.0 can do everything the Simple Remote can do, plus adjust speed. The 1.0 has excellent range and is easy to install and use, but it can't save patterns and you have to scroll through the colors to find the one you want. Our most popular controller is the Oracle 2.0 box. It packs a ton of features and has plenty of power to run multiple color shift devices at the same time. You will notice that this has an infrared remote as well as a keypad on the box itself. This is very convenient to control since you have two ways to adjust the lights. The kit also comes with an infrared eye extension. This should be mounted in a place that is convenient for you while keeping the box out of sight. Another unique feature of the 2.0 is the preview window. It allows you to see what color is being outputted without looking directly at your color shift device. The 2.0 has all the same features as the 1.0 and Simple, plus the ability to dial in your own color. To wrap up the 2.0, it's very powerful, full of features, and has two ways to control it, but it is an infrared remote, so you do need a direct line of sight whenever operating it. The Oracle Wi-Fi controller always seems to cause the most confusion. You do not need to be connected to a Wi-Fi network to use this controller. It creates its own Wi-Fi signal that you connect to through our free smartphone app. This thing is loaded with features. You can easily control colors with the color wheel, dial in your own color with the RGB sliders, scroll through the many preset patterns, and even set your own scenes. Don't want to use your phone to control your lights all the time? Our T3 RF remote easily pairs to your box and allows you to control the device with either your phone or the remote. Want to create multiple zones to control different lights? We'll add our expandable receiver and our T3M remote to create zones that can be controlled simultaneously or individually. The Oracle Wi-Fi remote has great signal range, too many features to cover, and can be expanded with zones. With everything this remote does, it's probably no surprise it's the most expensive option. We hope this video has helped you choose the right color shift remote for you. But if you have any questions, please give us a call at 1-800-407-5776 or visit us online at www.oraclelights.com. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe here and on our other social outlets @Oracle Lights, #Oracle Lights.